Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. You are doing best in your life. May Allah bless us. Accept our prayers. In this video, I'm going to share a very powerful amal. This is very effective amal. Many people have experienced this, and whoever did this, alhamdulillah, their work were done 100%. They all were said, whenever we did this amal, we 100% got benefit. And this amal is very effective for desire and needs, for any kind of problem, for any kind of purpose, even it is the worldly matter, religious matter, you have health issues, money issue, marriage issue, you have children issue, you have loan, you don't have your own house, even what kind of issue you have, if you do this amal for your purpose, you will get 100% result. Alhamdulillah. What you need to do, just perform 2 rakat Salah, Nafil, hajat, and in every rakat, recite 101 times surah ikhlas after surah fatiha with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You can take tasbih in your hand because in Nafil Salah we can take tasbih, but in first Salah we cannot take any tasbih, any counter. And after performing this Salah, after salam, just keep sitting there and perform sajda. In sajda, recite 11 times surah ikhlas. When you get up from sajda and sit, recite 11 times surah ikhlas. Then again do sajda and recite 11 times surah ikhlas. Then again sit and recite 11 times surah ikhlas. In this way, perform 11 sajda, and in each sajda recite 11 times surah ikhlas, and sit 11 times and recite 11 times surah ikhlas. After that, recite 11 times any istighfar, and then recite 11 times darood Ibrahim. After that, just pray for yourself. Pray to Allah about your wish, purpose, desire, need, problem. This Nafil Salah is very effective and it always gives result. Even a person says, before few years, one man came to me and he was very sick. He had some wound. He had some wound in his leg and it increased, spread it in all his leg, and this wound spread it all his leg, and doctor said there is no treatment of this. You have to take decision and we have to cut your leg, other than it will spread in whole your body. So that man was worried because nobody wanted to cut any body part. So that man came to me, he was crying. I told him to perform this salah, and not only you, your whole family members perform this salah. That man cannot stand. He performed this salah while sitting on chair, and his wife also performed this salah. Even within 21 days, his wound was healed and the condition of wound changed, and after that he became completely healthy. His leg was completely fine. Now he can stand, he can walk, he can run, and he can do all things by himself. Within 21 days, he became completely fine, completely, alhamdulillah. So that man told, I almost told this amal 23 people, and whoever did this amal, they always got result, 100% result. Their prayers were accepted, their problems were solved, issues were solved, and their needs were fulfilled. Their desire, their needs were fulfilled. And everybody said, whenever we did this amal, we got 100% result. Even you can do this amal alone. Your all family member can do this. You can do one time in a day. You can do in morning and evening as per your convenience. And keep doing this. But there is one thing which you need to do. You have to perform this salah with focus, with concentration, and in the love of Allah. While you are asking your desire, your need, ask with focus and concentration, and keep asking. Keep asking while shedding your tears. When you keep asking from Allah, when you keep performing this salah, inshallah your work will be done. Don't hesitate and don't say that your work would be done in one day. It will take time. Sometime it will take 3 days. Sometime it will take 11 days, and sometime 21 days. But alhamdulillah, there are many experiences whoever did this amal. always got benefit. 100% result they got. So if you have any problem, any issue, any need, any desire, any dua, just perform this salah and get 100% result and inform me, give your feedback. So inshallah ta'ala, other people will get motivation and they will do as well.